This is a very foggy night and we've got this beautifully illuminated downtown and this Christmas market beside me and the mayor's office and the main church, Christianic church, pretty beautiful, Neo-Gothic I believe, or something like that, and some side streets. The entire market square, Christmas market square, is empty. This is some kind of amazing feeling. All this beauty is just for me tonight. Hello YouTube! Tonight I want to invite you to a walk in the foggy Christmas downtown of my city, Novi Sad, Serbia. And it's not pretty late, it's kind of about 30 minutes after midnight. And I put my camera by the entrance of the mayor's office, which is kind of luxury, right? I've put the church right in the center of my frame with this nice Christmas train in the foreground. So this is my shot. F9, ISO 80 and 8 seconds of exposure. 2 seconds timer. And I think that the mayor's office also looks very beautiful with all this illumination. Take a look. It's very cozy and it's very beautifully illuminated, decorated with light. Because of the high illumination of this building, I got ISO 80, F9 and just 6 seconds of exposure. 2 second timer, boom. I believe this fog adds to this scene some kind of magical, very celebrational feeling. It feels very holiday, very Christmas, because of this fog especially. All these buildings are some shops, you know, with the hot wine, sausages and all that stuff that usually gets a lot of attention during the holiday weeks. And being here almost alone is so weird and it's so special. Whew. I just love it. But I just regret a bit that I can't order some hot wine right now. It's pretty cold and I would like to have some hot wine at this particular moment. But this is the destiny of a photographer. We have to struggle anyhow, always. You cannot get the hot wine and empty streets in the same moment. My next pretty obvious idea is to get a very long angle shot of this church, because I do believe this is a gorgeous building. So I've put my camera pretty low and pretty far away from the church, just because my lens is not wide enough. I have to be very careful and do not touch any leg of my tripod because my exposure is pretty long. Let's try F9, 10 seconds of exposure, ISO 80. And in this situation I always have to check the focus. It looks like it's pretty nice. And seems like in these conditions it's a nice idea to do an exposure stack. Something like 6 seconds for shadows and 1.6 seconds for the highlights. Because the dynamic range of this scene is just huge, obviously. I'm not sure if you can see it. This is the most popular pedestrian street in the city. All the beautiful cafes and bars are located here. And any other time it's overcrowded. It's very popular in terms of tourism and sightseeing and all that stuff. So it's one of the most crowded pedestrian streets, and now it's almost empty. I'm just afraid I will never get a chance to take a shot of this street with nobody anytime soon. I will use this opportunity for sure. Here I decided to use the compression. I zoomed with 135 millimeters all the way to this illuminated roof of this street, to this kinda illuminated ceiling. I don't really think that in this situation I do need an exposure stack, but just in case, I'll take several shots with different settings, slightly different settings, a little bit lighter, a little bit darker, like 4 seconds of exposure, 6 seconds of exposure, and that's it. And after all, I will see, probably it will be possible to use just one shot. I'm not sure by now, but just in case, I took several shots. And take a look at this light beam. This light goes directly to the top of this church. But this beam itself is very beautiful in the fog. Well, I've put my camera in the only way possible to get this beam just touching the roof of this building by this wide angle. Yeah, one more pretty experimental shot. I've put my camera pretty low again, just to be able to put this beam, this ray of light and the spire in one frame. And I'm fascinated again that my lens is not wide enough. But anyway, I'll try to do my best, because I just like this composition pretty much. Whew. We'll see. Let me know in the comments what do you think. I just wanted to get here the backyard of this church. I'm a little bit disappointed by these wires on the top. I will remove all these wires after all in the Lightroom. Let's try to take this picture. Very straightforward composition. I put this spire of this church right in the center of my frame. I do like these buildings forces the viewer's eyes to this spire, lit up from behind. 10 seconds of exposure, f7.1, ISO 80. Tell me please in the comments what do you think about this shot. And I want to take a shot of this beautiful window. How do you call it in English? Stained glass? I don't know. I'm not sure. My English vocabulary is not that wide. I just love this glass lit up from inside. And also I want to take a shot of the mayor's office in between of these two buildings, the church and some hotel, I suppose. And if I succeed, here are the shots. And if you find this video at least a bit entertaining, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much for watching, thank you for joining me tonight. Ciao for now.